In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Brave browser to open Google on new tab. If you prefer seeing Google every time you open a new tab in Brave, this walkthrough will set that up in just a couple of minutes. We'll adjust two related settings. First, we'll tell Brave to use your homepage when a new tab opens, and second, we'll set that homepage to Google. Once that's done, every new tab will land you right on Google's search page. Start by opening your Brave browser. In the top right corner, click the menu icon with three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's Control Center, where all the customization options live. On the Settings page, look for the Get Started section and find the area labeled New Tab Page. This section controls what you see when you open a fresh tab. By default, Brave may show its own dashboard with stats and shortcuts. To change that behavior, open the drop-down next to New Tab Page Shows and select Homepage. This tells Brave that, instead of the default dashboard, it should load whatever address you've set as your homepage when you open a new tab. Next, we'll point that homepage to Google. In the left-hand sidebar, click Appearance. This section manages the look and feel of Brave, including the Home button. Find the option called Show Home button. Here, choose the setting that lets you enter a custom web address and type Google's URL. Use https www.google.com/ for the most reliable result. If you prefer a regional version of Google, you can enter that instead, like the appropriate local domain for your area. There's no Save button. Brave applies these changes immediately. At this point, you've connected the dots. New tabs are set to show the home page, and your home page points to Google. From now on, each time you open a new tab, Brave will load Google automatically. If something doesn't look right, double-check that the New Tab Page Shows setting is set to Homepage, and confirm that the custom address in the Show Home button section is spelled correctly and includes HTTPS. A quick note to avoid confusion. Setting Google as your new tab page is different from choosing your default search engine. Even if the page opens on Google, your address bar search engine can be something else. If you want them to match, you can adjust the default search engine later in the search settings, but that's optional, and that's it. You've configured Brave so every new tab opens straight to Google, saving you clicks and keeping your browsing flow simple and consistent.